An old theorem states that given an infinite amount of monkeys, an infinite amount of typewriters, and an infinite amount of time, eventually, the monkeys will produce the entire works of Shakespeare. Now, this would be impossible to test in real life, but that didn't stop a team from the University of Plymouth. Welcome to Rarities. I'm Professor Elliot. In 2003, a keyboard was left in the enclosure of 6 celebs-crested macaques: Elmo, Gum, Heather, Holly, Mistletoe, and Rowan at the Paignton Zoo. While they didn't have an infinite number of anything, they did want to find out the literary output of real monkeys. Over the course of a month, the monkeys did produce 5 pages of text, mostly containing the letter S. Eventually, the lead male beat the keyboard with a rock, mostly breaking it, and the others followed his lead, turning it into their new toilet. The entire process was recorded and published online as a webcam. Although no words were produced and the keyboard was broken, director of the university's Institute of Digital Arts and Technology, Mike Phillips, maintains that a lot was learned. They were quite interested in the screen, and they saw that when they typed a letter, something happened. There was a level of intention there. Mild disagreement came from the zoo's scientific officer, Dr. Amy Plowman, saying the work was interesting but had little scientific value, except to show that the infinite monkey theory is flawed, which is certainly not inaccurate, and the team themselves had this conclusion. The project is clearly not a scientific experiment, but hopefully does display some sense of integrity. Although it appears to test the truth of the formula, in reality, it emphasizes the unreliability of human scientific hypotheses. Animals are simply not metaphors for human endeavor. In the end, the only real conclusion you can draw from this experiment is that monkeys are not random character generators.